Saw palmetto berries benefits and source. Benefits: may benefit prostate health and urinary function, may reduce male pattern baldness, prevents hair loss, may support prostate health, may help regulate testosterone levels, may decrease inflammation. Now foods, saw palmetto berries review. Description: Men's health supports a healthy prostate. Non-GMO. A dietary supplement. Vegetarian, vegan. Botanicals, herbs. GMP, quality assured. Suggested use: take 2 capsules 2 to 3 times daily with water or food. Other ingredients: cellulose, capsule, stearic acid, vegetable source, and silica. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.